Hi, my name is Patricia Coughlin, and I'm here to talk to you about New Zealand trails. If you're like me, New Zealand has been on your bucket list for a long time, and I'm just saying, do it. And when you go, you've got to go with New Zealand trails. I can't say enough about it. The trip so exceeded expectation in every possible way. I mean, first of all, we totally lucked out with the weather. Literally every day was absolutely gorgeous. And in fact, our two guides, who were superb, were saying just as we were about to go to the Milford Sound, they said, "Oh, we're praying for rain. We're praying for rain," because we had just had one fine day after the other. And we're thinking, what the heck? Why do you want rain? And they said, "We're not going to tell you why, but we're going to pray for rain." So boy, did they get their prayers answered. It poured down rain. And it was spectacular. The mountains exploded with waterfalls hundreds of waterfalls everywhere you look. And the group I was with, I'm a single woman. I went by myself, totally a crapshoot, didn't know. The people were fabulous. We got really close. We're all still in touch. We're going to be getting together. So it really, this group, I think they draw really wonderful people. And so even on that day when it was pouring down rain and we were trudging through what I would call the Milford Stream, or not really the Milford Trail, but everybody was just hale and hearty, went for it, laughed. And I'll tell you, at the end of that day, when we got to this magnificent lodge where they were waiting for us with a warm fire and delicious food. Never did a hot shower feel so good, and dry clothes. I could just go on and on about the spectacular scenery, the wonderful people, the incredible adventures. And, when you're with a group like this that is so encouraging and enthusiastic, you end up doing things you would never do otherwise. For example, going caving. Now, I think, did I somehow block this out of my awareness? I don't remember reading about caving being on the itinerary, but and it's something I would never have signed up for. But it was remarkable, and I'm so glad I did it. So again, you're just going to be with people and in an environment where, again, you're going to stretch yourself, have these extraordinary adventures that you're never going to forget, and probably meet people who are going to become friends. So again, I just urge you to do it, and do it with New Zealand trails. They're the best.